Hey everyone, welcome back to my journey of healing from mental health. Today, I want to share a bit about my own journey in navigating this chaotic world and finding a balance. Something that I'm still learning to manage. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, settle in, and let's talk. When I first started working, I was full of excitement. I remember those early days of training, that feeling of independence from finally earning my own salary. I imagine all the things I could buy, and even though my paycheck wasn't huge, it was enough to bring joy. I'm sure बहुत लोग आप लोग रिलेट कर सकते हो इस फीलिंग से वो फर्स्ट जॉब वाला रश up to make name for yourself to stand out. I felt alive, energized, like I could take on the world. ज़्यादा काम करना, even when I wasn't asked, I thought if I just work hard enough, I'll be successful. But slowly what happened, that energy, it started to wear off. The joy I felt at first, it was replaced by exhaustion. Each day became harder than the last. Managing everything, it was like impossible. The deadlines kept piling up. Stress was building inside me until one day I broke down. I couldn't keep up anymore. नहीं हो रहा था मुझसे. I was tired. Emotionally बहुत exhausted थी. नहीं हो रहा था. But here's the thing. With the support of those around me, I picked myself up. I realized something incredibly important. A truth I think we all need to hear. Stress. Stress आपकी लाइफ का पार्ट है. आप इससे भाग नहीं सकते. And बहुत important, not all stress is bad. Some stress is there to push you, to help you meet deadlines, to keep you disciplined. It's not always the enemy, but where get it wrong is when you don't recognize where to draw the line. Let me ask you, कभी आपको ऐसा लगा है कि दुनिया बहुत तेज चल रही है and all you want is for everything to just stop? Like you were constantly running but getting nowhere. That feeling, my friends, is what we call burnout. When stress becomes constant, overwhelming, and manage nahi ho raha, it wears you down mentally, emotionally, and even physically. It's not just about being tired, it's about reaching a point where your body and mind are begging for rest. And when we don't listen, that's when things get dangerous. So, क्यों हो रहा है आजकल ऐसा? इतना ज़्यादा बर्नआउट आजकल इतना कॉमन क्यों हो गया है? Here's what I think. जो आजकल हमारे वर्क प्लेसेस हैं वो पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव हो गए और बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन ये टॉक्सिक हो जाते हैं. लोगों को लगता है ज़्यादा काम करने से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिविटी होती है, ज़्यादा प्रेशर डालने से ज़्यादा अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आते हैं. बट लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, even medicine when taken in excess can become a poison. And हम सबने देखा है, haven't we? सुबह सुबह आने के लिए आपको टाइम पे उठना पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल टाइम पे आप आने चाहिए, लेकिन आपको जब टाइम पे निकलना है वहाँ से अपने ऑफिस से तो सडनली आपसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि आप लेट रुको, आप ज़्यादा काम करो. एंड अगर आप मना करते हो तो यू आर नाउ यू आर लेबल्ड एज डिफिकल्ट और लेजी और इवन वर्स कि आप काम ही नहीं करना चाहते हो और यू आर नॉट अ गुड एम्प्लॉय. इट्स एग्जॉस्टिंग, रियली, and it's really not helping anyone. So, I want to offer a different perspective over this, one that's helped me get through this. Instead of pushing ourselves to the break point, we need to recognize when we are reaching burnout and give ourselves permission to rest. Take a break. कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. Talk to your friends, family, or even better professional. आपकी health, both mental and physical, is everything. When you're ready, come back. But come back slowly. There is no need to rush. Start by making simple schedule. Write down your little task. Don't specify your time. Just write your task जो everyday करना है. Give your time, personal time, exercise, cooking, and even cleaning your personal space. That can make a huge difference. And yes, meditation works wonders. It's like hitting a rest button for your mind. Now, something I have learned along the way is the importance of kindness. Now, if you see your colleague struggling, don't just ignore it. Help karo, be kind. Competing with each other at work doesn't help anyone. The real competition, my friends, it's outside those walls of your workplace. It's time to rethink how we handle our work environments. Instead of more competition, how about more compassion? और कोई भी चेंज एक रात में नहीं हो जाता है, सो स्मॉल स्टेप्स टुवर्ड्स अ हेल्थियर सपोर्टिव वर्कप्लेस can make all the difference. So let's work together. Whether you are an employee or manager or somewhere in between, we all have a role to play. Let's create a space where we lift each other up instead of tearing each other down, where words can heal instead of harm. Remember to be kind. Thanks for tuning in today. If this episode resonated with you, please share it with someone who might need to hear it too. Until next time, be kind to yourself and each other.